Hello there, class. This is Gustavo Velasquez talking about my labor market analysis paper. In my in my market labor market analysis paper, I interviewed and looked into the career of a biological technician. Biological technicians are people that work in the lab, support senior scientists, and that are working just maintaining the lab, like buffers, machines, equilibrating machines, and just working in different aspects in a laboratory environment. Um, and like I said, I'm just going to talk about like some projections, what they make. I'm also going to touch on a little bit about my interview, then my reflection, where I am in my career to where I'm going to be. And that's what we're going to be. Looking into the website, I did see, like I said, biological technicians make around a median of $34,750 a year. That's a median with the top end making around 45,000, and then the lower end with 36,000. Just shows you the different median. I went into to do this career. I researched it because I'm currently in my second year of the biotech program, giving me certifying me as a biotechnology laboratory technician, which is sort of like a biological technician. The career I searched, it was the one that came up. Like I said, this field, like I said, there are currently 80,200 number of jobs available in the nets, and by 2022, we're looking at a 10% increase with a 10% making it uh, 88,300 new jobs by 2022. So like it is a good field, growing just like the rest. So like I mean that's good. Um, like I said, they people in this field they can end up in many different types of fields. You can end up working in industrial facilities or academia or testing labs or small startup biotech companies. So it really depends where you apply yourself and where you really want to end up within the biology and the sciences field. Um, and there's just a little, like I said, intro of what a biological technician and how they made, and like I said, that career is still looking good. Like I said, for my interview, I am currently an intern at Lucigen Corporation, which is a biotechnology company, and I interviewed my supervisor, which she's an associate research scientist and a production scientist, and she graduated from the MATC program that I'm currently in a year ago or so. So I thought it'd be a great leeway into seeing, like, even though her title says scientist, she is a biological technician by the description of it and by how much she makes. And like I said, that's where my interview questions were. Some of them, like I said, I touched upon of what makes it, like what she's seen, the stuff she learned, and like I said, all the skills that she gathered through the education in Madison College did happen to have an impact of how well she's doing right now, which is, like I said, it is um, a great thing that she's doing right now. And like I said, she's doing a good job. She did emphasize the attention to detail, communication skills, grading, and all that stuff. And so, like I said, you are working for a biotechnology company, which means that you have to have more responsibility for what you're doing, and just paying attention all around you, and just working working in the biotechnology field. Um, like I said, she's working there right now. She's my supervisor, so I thought it'd be a great idea. She said that the education she got and all the skills that she got through the MATC program gave her enough skills and enough, like I said, preparation to work. It's still, she's learning every day from the senior scientist and from new procedures that she has to go through and through new things that she has to go through. Like I said, it's all been really great for her over at the company she's in. From when I'm looking back into looking at my skills and my career choice that I'm in, I think that from looking at this, looking at it from how they make, how they play, how this career is looking, or looking at 10 years, like I said, it's growing. There is going to be jobs in this field. Another reason why I chose to be into it, I see myself like as a good candidate to go into as a biological technician or a biotechnology laboratory technician. It did list that you do need a bachelor's degree, but like I said, with having her being in there and having a lot of our program students being there, like I said, we don't have a lot of problem with getting into the industry with just an associate's degree that MITC provides us after 2 years of education. Personally, like I said, I want to end up in, like I said, any type of biotechnology company. I do eventually, or I will be transferring over and getting my bachelor's degree at the University of Madison, probably molecular biology. So that would be, just a plus on my side of the education, so I can make even more and go even further with my degree. One thing that the person I interviewed did encounter was that she had like a limit of how far she could go with just her associate's degree, but she could still grow within the company. But I just wanted to be just more, and like I said, to me, education is really valuable. So that'd be something I'd be looking into. So like I said, biological technicians, it's a good field to go into. Researching it through this paper just told me like I am a good fit, and once I graduate this spring, like I said, I will be looking into a field that there is going to be jobs, that there are going to be jobs, and with my plan of continuing my education to eventually get a bachelor's degree in biology or molecular biology, I'm not sure yet. Like I said, I'll have it good in the biotechnology slash biological side.